In today's video, we are going to be using the Koilistic Drawstring Ponytail in the 20-inch. My first textured hair drawstring ponytail. And even before I take the netting off, I can already tell that this is going to be gorgeous. And this drawstring ponytail is absolutely beautiful. So this is what the ponytail looks like fresh out of the box. I am going to co-wash the ponytail before I use it, just using some conditioner. And then I will be going in with my Hydrolux gel from Kinkistry just to define the curls. So stay tuned. The drawstring ponytail comes with 2 clips in the front and the back, 2 clips on the side, and then the drawstring. So let's get into co-washing. So we have rinsed the ponytail out, and this is what it looks like wet. Curls are beautiful. So we're going to go in with the Hydrolux gel, let the ponytail dry, and then we'll be ready for the install. We are back. Our ponytail is dry and the curls look amazing. So we are ready for the install. Again, we're going to use the 2 combs in the front and the back, 2 combs on the side, and then the drawstring. And this cute, simple look created in less than 5 minutes. This ponytail is super cute. And I love the side ponytail. You can do it in the back. You can do a low ponytail. You can do a bun with this ponytail. There are so many styles that you can create. So stay tuned. You definitely know I will be creating more styles using this Koilistics from Kinkistry Drawstring 20-inch ponytail. You guys, I'm so hyped. I'm out of breath because this ponytail is banging. Love it.